How's it going, traders? It's Neal with Friday University, and in today's video, we're going to go over my top 5 stocks that are quality investments to buy and hold for the long term. My first stock is Visa, and the reason I like this stock is because it rallied so well during the pandemic from a low of 134 off of its highs in the 200s. And even though it took a while to break 200, it is back and it's at all-time highs, and you really can't go wrong buying a stock when it's doing as well as Visa. We know Visa is very innovative. The next step is making AI to make processing simpler and quicker, and that will help them make better transactions when you are paying safely. And my position on Visa is 15 shares around 192. And now I didn't buy all 15 at one time. I bought one per week over the last maybe 15 weeks per se. And that has paid off nicely as Visa hits its all-time highs. It is still worth buying today. I'm so excited to talk about Disney because of all the great things they are doing. And of course, their stock, I think, is even undervalued as it hasn't broken its all-time highs in the 150s, but is slowly but maturely creeping up to those levels. So it is a major buy opportunity. I can't talk about Disney and not highlight Disney Plus. It is doing amazing work, gaining subscribers for ESPN Plus, Hulu, Disney Plus, new movies. This is a billion-dollar industry, and they got their foot in the door. Let's go Disney. Me to my position of 17 shares at about 120, and it's slowly making those gains. So let's keep pumping out more shares and buying more Disney. Brings me to number 3, and even though it's number 3, it is number 1. Google is the biggest, baddest company in America, and its stock has continued to go up. It is at $16.50. That is insane to think about. And it'll only go up 1,800, 2,000. It's going to the moon. My big position on Google is 7 shares at around 1,400, giving me 11,500 market value with potential to make me money. And you can too, so buy some shares of Google. Whenever you have extra money, put it in the market. Put it in Google. There was one stock I'd marry. It is Apple. My goodness, what a move it has made. And it will continue to go up. With a stock split coming up 4-1, will make that $520 stock go back to 125 on the dot. And that 125 going back to 200 is almost doubling your money. Buy Apple, get in, love Apple. Honestly, my Apple position could look prettier, but I sold out at $450 and then rebought back in. So now my 8 shares is at $460 average price, and it is still making gains. Apple has so much room to grow. It is an unbelievable company. Buy Apple, cuddle, marry, trash, cuddle, marry, all of it with Apple. I want to highlight the growth that tech companies have had just during the pandemic is that their market value is 25% of the entire stock market. So it is controlling and dictating so much because it goes from under 20% to 25%, next to 30%. These are powerhouse companies that are taking over. So I was talking about cuddle and marrying. Well, let's Netflix and chill. Number 5, Netflix, great buy. It has raised its price per subscription $2 a month, which will lead to $1.7 billion of extra income. That is unreal. Let's go Netflix. Why I've started recently taking a position. I now have 5 shares. I'm hoping to double that by the end of August. To reiterate, buy Visa, Disney, Google, Apple, and Netflix stocks. Those in the long term will outbeat and outpace the market for growth, and you'll be happy you bought them now. And your only regret is that you should have bought more. Do more at Friday University. Thank you.